What is going on, everybody? It's Ryan with Tundra 4x4.club, and today we're going to go over the BA exhaust system on this Tundra. First things first, I want to thank you, everybody, for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If this is your first time here, would like to say welcome. On this page, we like to talk about Tundras, we like to talk about Tundra upgrades, and pretty much anything that has to do with off-roading. So if you're into that type of thing, hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon so you know exactly when we post our next video. All right, so the BA exhaust system, that's what we're rocking on this truck. Overall, I love the sound of it. We're gonna go over all the sounds from inside the cockpit and also some sounds outside so you can get a feel of what it sounds like before you make your purchase if you are currently in that market. This exhaust system actually, when you're cruising, it's really not loud in the cockpit at all, and we'll show you some of that video. But right now, let's start off right away with the BA exhaust system at a cold start. So this is the BA at the cold start. Now I know this is going to be a little bit different for some of you that are in the Midwest or in some of the colder areas. I'm in Southern California, and believe it or not, it's still 74 degrees here in January. So this is going to be now the exhaust system when we're cruising 55 miles an hour, plus or minus, and just cruising from inside the cockpit. All right, we are now going to go into the exhaust system on how it sounds from inside the cockpit from off the line. Now let's see what the system sounds like outside the vehicle when we're off-roading a little bit. Now let's go ahead and show you what the system sounds like from outside the cockpit and when you're going off the line. The truth of the matter is, it doesn't matter which exhaust system you go with. There's many to choose from Borla to the MagnaFlow, to Flowmasters, to the BA, to the TRD Pro exhaust system. With this 5.7 liter engine, any exhaust system is going to get you a really nice sound. I'm a big fan of the BA exhaust system. I love the throaty sound that it projects. And I don't know, why don't you let me know in the comments down below on what system you're rocking and what you like about it, maybe what you're trying to get out of your exhaust system. So overall, that's the BA muffler exhaust system. Pretty much all it does is it replaces that stock muffler, puts some straight pipes in there along with a Y pipe. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the sound. I get compliments on it all the time, both on and off road. So if you're in the market, it might be worth taking a look. I also want to let you guys know that we got our first demo t-shirt in yesterday or over the weekend, and I'll show that to you here. This is our first test sample t-shirt, and this is in a charcoal gray with the Tundra 4x4.club logo. We're going to be going through a couple more samples and things like that before we actually lock it down and make our bulk order. But I want to make sure it's a good quality product and a good t-shirt and something that you guys will all like to wear. So if you know of any companies out there that I should be looking at for my t-shirts, let me know. Obviously, I want to get some samples. I will pay for all my samples. I don't expect anything for free. But, yeah, put it in the comments down below or shoot me a message. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you next time on the Backroads.